Hello everyone, today we are going to explore another wonderful AI feature of Adobe Illustrator 2024, and that is the game-changing feature called text to vector. So we are going to create something from scratch. So first of all, go to this feature text to vector graphic beta. So the panel will be opened something like this, and it gives you some option to create subject, scene, icon, pattern. So we are going to try each thing one by one. So starting with the scene, just keep it simple. So we are going to create desert, but before that you have to create a rectangle in which you want to create your illustration and click on generate. Okay, so it has given us few options exactly in the vector format, and we can edit it the way we want, and it has given us three options. This is the first one. When you click on this second one, so this is the second one, and here is the third one. So basically these are the options. The more good prompt you provide to the Adobe, the more good result you will get. So just for the practice, we have just selected, let's suppose we are going to proceed with this one. We have created a scene of a desert. We are going to create a subject on the same scene. Let's suppose we want to place the man over here. So just select this and type the prompt thirsty man full body portrait, and here is an option match active artboard style. So if you enable this feature, the artwork that will be created will have exactly same style of the existing illustration of the artboard. And if you do not want to maintain the style of the existing artboard, so you can disable this option as well, but we are going to make it enabled and create the full body portrait of a thirsty man. Okay, so here we can see that it has provided us few options. This is not a full body portrait, but this is a full body portrait, and this one is also a full body portrait. Okay, so we can place it over here. So you can see that the colors that it has chosen is exactly matching with the artboard style. Okay, so here is the man. Okay, let's place it here. So we can see that we have created a scene and we have created a subject, and we can create an icon as well. Okay, let's suppose for an icon, just type no entry signboard, and let's see what it generates. Okay, we can see that it has again taken the artboard style because this option was enabled, and it has given us few options for the no entry that we can place anywhere. Of course it is not looking good in the illustration, but this tutorial is basically want to give an information about how we can use this feature. So we can create scene, we can create a subject, we can create icon, and we can create a pattern. Let's suppose we are going to create something from scratch and just create a rectangle and select the pattern, and here you can write, let's suppose, red, blue, wavy background. Okay, you can see that it has provided few patterns to us, and it has also added the pattern to the swatches, so we can apply on any of our artwork as well.